Long ago, in a prosperous kingdom called Roshanagar, happiness and light filled every corner. At the heart of the kingdom was Princess Alia, a young woman admired for her beauty, wisdom, and kind heart. But Alia often had strange dreams, a voice calling out to her in warning, though she could never understand what it meant. Far from the bright lands of Roshanagar, an old sorceress named Zohra seethed with envy. Years ago, she had been banished from the kingdom for her wickedness, and now she sought revenge. If I can extinguish their light, the kingdom will crumble into darkness, she vowed. Using her dark magic, Zohra created a cursed sewing machine. Its threads carried an enchanted spell, whoever touched them would fall into a deep, unbreakable sleep. Disguised as a humble traveler, she presented the machine as a gift to Princess Alia. Alia, who loved sewing, eagerly began to use the beautiful machine. But the moment her fingers brushed the thread, she collapsed, falling into a deep slumber. Zohra's laughter echoed through the palace halls as she proclaimed her curse. The princess will only wake when the people of Roshanagar cleanse their hearts of envy, hatred, and selfishness. Until then, darkness will reign. As Alia lay asleep, the once bright Roshanagar began to wither. Rivers dried up, fields turned barren, and despair spread among the people. Arguments and mistrust grew, and the light of the kingdom dimmed. Among the chaos, one person refused to give up, Alia's 10-year-old brother Abdullah. Saddened by the kingdom's plight and his sister's fate, he turned to their wise grandmother for guidance. She told him an ancient tale. True magic lies in love and unity. When people let go of their hatred and work together, they can overcome any darkness. Inspired, Abdullah resolved to bring his sister back and restore the kingdom. Abdullah went to the townspeople, his young voice ringing with determination. "We've all made mistakes," he said. "We've allowed anger and jealousy to divide us. But we can change. If we help each other and fill our hearts with kindness, we can bring back the light, and my sister." At first, the people dismissed him. What could a boy do to fix a broken kingdom? But Abdullah didn't give up. Day by day, he helped wherever he could, solving disputes, delivering food, and listening to people's troubles. His small acts of kindness began to inspire others. As the people of Roshanagar slowly opened their hearts to kindness and forgiveness, a strange thing happened. A golden light spread across the kingdom, touching even the darkest corners. In her enchanted sleep, Alia saw a vision of her brother and the people working together. The voice from her dreams spoke once more, but this time, it wasn't a warning, it was a celebration. "The hearts of Roshanagar are awake, and so shall you be." Alia's eyes fluttered open. She rushed to find Abdullah, who stood among the villagers. With tears in her eyes, she hugged him. "You did it," she said. "You woke not just me, but the entire kingdom." Zohra, watching from her dark lair, screamed in frustration. The love and unity of Roshanagar had destroyed her spell, and her powers crumbled. She vanished into the shadows, never to return. Roshanagar blossomed once more, brighter and stronger than ever. Alia, now awake and wiser, made Abdullah her chief advisor. She addressed the people with a message that would echo for generations. "The true strength of our kingdom lies not in its riches or its lands, but in the love and unity of its people. As long as our hearts remain united, no darkness can ever defeat us." This tale teaches us that the greatest magic of all is love, kindness, and unity. When people come together with open hearts, even the deepest curses can be broken. And so, Roshanagar shone brighter than ever, a kingdom united by its awakened hearts.